Hi, this is Ben from Number Group here to give you a quick guide on our fraud prevention tools. So when you log into the self-care portal, you'll be on the summary screen. We have two different sections based upon where you can set the fraud settings depending on what system you use, either in Luna PBX or within the SIP-trunk section. So look at Luna PBX first. So if you log into Luna PBX, you'll be on your PBX and you'll see here you've got two options, fraud max sessions and fraud max daily spend. The maximum sessions basically allows you to specify the maximum number of concurrent calls you have going on across your PBX at one time. And obviously, if you've got 10 extensions and you know that you're going to be using all 10 extensions at the same time, you would need to obviously set the max sessions to probably about 25 to basically stop the system from accidentally cutting you off just through normal use. You can also set the maximum daily spend. Obviously you've got some options there. We would normally advise you to set it at a reasonable level above what you would normally spend per day. So obviously you would set that accordingly and then click save at the bottom. What will happen is if either of those are breached, we'll send you an email to advise you of that, and the account will also be temporarily suspended while you obviously review that. The idea being is that if any of your phones did get compromised for whatever reason and someone attempts to place outbound calls to defraud you, the system will eventually pick up and stop that. Basically, these two options should basically cover all facets of that particular abuse. You can also do this on individual SIP trunks. So you go to SIP trunks, so you've got all your SIP trunks listed here, and you'll see that down here is the same option: fraud detection, simultaneous calls, and spend. Once again, exactly the same thing. You set the limits to what you'd like or what you need, and then click save at the bottom once you're done. Once again, if any abuse does occur, we will send you an email with the reference to the trunk in question and to your main email contact address, which obviously we specify on your account. That's pretty much it. If you have any other queries or any other problems with this, then please let us know, and obviously we'll advise you accordingly.